uploaded in a while, and what's coming up next is a video I've had on hold for a while, and yeah, I hope you enjoy. Bye. Hello everybody, welcome back to another YouTube video, and today in this YouTube video, I am playing Redwood Prison. This is like prison life, like the other video I made, but it's much different. I want to show you around the place by being a police officer. So the thing that's good about this that I love is that I'm just gonna play in first person here. Is that I don't like all the stupid, and there's a stupid butthole in here that I'm about to handcuff. I already have my handcuffs out. Okay, handcuff him, handcuff him, handcuff him. What? Handcuff him. Handcuff him. Oh my god, I'm horrible at handcuffing. Man. What? Ah! We have a psychopath. We have a psychopathic freak in there. And why in the world did I spawn in the lunchroom? Alright, hold on. No, I'm horrible at getting through these doors. You just press those buttons to open up the doors. There's a psychopath in there. I'm just going in full on. And now he is now dead. And by the way, you can't press that to reload. You have to run out of ammo. Alright. Now that guy's dead, I can actually grab the guns and show you. So this one, oopsie. No, I didn't mean to do that. So this one is an M16. You can just hold down on the screen and you will shoot like a boss. And there's people in here that are bad. No! Where is he? Kill him! There's so much bullets. There's a lot of bullets. Right now, it is 8:41. Not in real life, in the game. And, the task is... ensure the prisoners follow the schedule. And I don't even know what's supposed to be happening right now. So, I don't even know what the schedule is. So, how the heck am I supposed to... And is there still a person in here that's bad? Or is that guy just shooting for no reason? I think that guy's just shooting. What? My body just declined itself. And I'm taking this hat because it makes me look amazing. And I'm going to grab that and that. And I'm using this. And boom, M16 right to the bag. And I don't even know what the heck I'm holding. Alright, well let's try to... And also, the good thing about this is that you can actually drive. Wait, what does this say? I want to send a message. All prison... Oh, I can't, man. I can't do that. All... dead... Eat. Check. Done. I said eat. I didn't know what else to say. Alright. Oh, he did. Oh, if I kill 2 more prisoners, then I'm out of the prison. If they kill me one more time, then I'm out of the prison. No, then they're out of the prison. to get on 16. Now going out there. Handcuff them! How come nobody listens to me? And they just kill them instead? When really? You could be freaking handcuffing them. And then everything would be better because of life and life how's going. And oh my god, this is loud. There's so much gunshots. I'm dead. I did that. I meant to. I want to change my character. Are you sure you want to return to the menu? Yes. Oh, it just killed me. My arms fell off. And there's a lot of people. I want to be a prisoner. Because I can. What? Craft. Punch, punch, punch. Punch, punch, punch. Guard can illegally kill you now. Can legally kill you. Because if it was illegal, they couldn't I just made myself plus my tiny. Quickly. I gotta get out. I can now punch a person in the face if I have to. I'm just going to... I'm going to drive this car out to victory. Victory! Victory drive. That guy has a police out. I am now stuck inside of a cop car. If I was stuck inside of a cop, I would be disgusted. But... And I would laugh, though. Alright, let's go! I am horrible at driving cars. Imagine how I will be in real life. Let's go! I don't know where the heck I'm going. I have to go to the warehouse and get my guns, and I don't know where the warehouse is. I'm guessing it's up here. No, that's a house. Where's the warehouse? I don't want a regular house. I want a warehouse, right? I don't know. This is a new game. This is only, like... Alright, let's get out of this stupid old car and get a new one. And for some reason, it just started moving on its own. I'm creeped out. Let's get this nice blue one right here and just drive it. Okay, we have to do it like this. Oh, I think that's the warehouse right there. I'm stupid. I just got a car for no reason. Because I'm pretty sure this is the warehouse. Let's see if it is. Because if it is, there will be... Oh my god, this is amazing. Frick you! I have to buy that? I get this, 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 and this. Unless I can hit people with a hammer. Shotgun. Why am I still holding the hammer? AK-40? Yes, you can hold down. And then... Wait, hold on. I'm just going to set my spawn and get out of this stupid inmate suit. And do this. Hopefully this doesn't send me straight back into... Okay, you can't do that. You can't do that in this one. No! Yes. Thank you. Yes. I didn't... Oh, I just got handcuffed. Let me out. Yes. Haha! You can't. I was a... I didn't do anything. Haha, he can't. I wasn't even doing anything, even though I'm trying to get out. I just said like a million words in one sentence. You can actually do the push-ups, the pull-ups. How do I do them? I'm doing them. Hey, Mom, are you happy? I'm strong. Kenny picks up the thing. Alright. How does this work? Oh, dun 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 dun. Nah, nah, nah. Alright, ow! Ooh, okay. Dead. I did not want to do sit. I am dead. It's so sad. He died. I have nothing. He died. Ow. Someone shot me. That guy shot me for no reason, even though I'm already dead. Just act dead. Oh, I'm dead. Excuse me, that was a sneeze, and I don't know. Get me out of this place, dude. Dude, get me out. Talk to me. What do you want? Can you help me? Sure. Okay, hold on. Sure, but it'll cost you. Do you have something for me? Nope. Well then, get out of my face, gah. That's rude. Can you help me? Don't punch me. What do you want? If you can find me a shelter, then I'll help you. I'm pretty sure there is one somewhere in the courtyard. Go to the courtyard! Hopefully the courtyard is actually open, but hopefully the courtyard gate thing is open so I can... That guy's on a rampage and we haven't even done anything. I'm not doing anything either. Kill him! Oh, he has a gun. Hey, don't kill me! I didn't even do anything! That guy's going to become an inmate very quickly. Now I have to search the entire courtyard for a Galter or something, whatever that said. I'm not that great of a reader, but... Aha, I'm gonna punch you. Punch. Ah, now I can't die. Punch. I wasn't doing anything. No, I didn't do anything. No. Okay, I'm not doing that ever again. Okay then. Oh. I was arrested. How? I was 14 feet, million yards away from him. I'll be right back once I find this thing. Okay, guys, looks like we aren't doing that because I can now get out for free. That was a very high-pitched scream. No prisoners beyond this point. Okay, well, I'm out. Yep. Just can't. I'm leaving. Bye-bye. I'm leaving for good. No one cares if I exist. Except for you guys, right? Comment down below if you care if I exist. And if you would do anything for me if I were in a situation where if I were being threatened or something to die. Would you risk your life for me? Comment down below for that. And I want some of this, bitch. Come here. I can't be a cool guy. I'm so close. Oh, wait, I already am. Craft a shank. I'm going to take this, and this, and this. I'm going to take all of it. I can punch people. I don't want that, though. No. Hey, that's my car! He just stole my car! He just stole my boy, little Mickey. My boy, little Mickey. Little Mickey. We got to go inside. Oh, guards began bringing the prisoners back into the prison. No, this not could happen today, because I have a very good schedule on killing people. I'm gonna kill all the cops, get out all the inmates, and be happy with it. There's a ghost in this truck that I am driving. I saw it when I spawned. If none of you saw that, then I'm going to edit in Illuminati on his face, and then you will see it. And Illuminati. My arm is so itchy, I have eczema on it. And I just made myself bleed. Yay! It's like, oh my god, that's bleeding a lot. I don't like this car. I do better with the other one. I'm out. No. No! What this? I don't know what happened there. Comment down below if you know what just happened. This is weird. This is weird. What just happened? I don't know what just happened. But something. Oh yeah, by the way, like my new style. Got some sunglasses. Got some of that nice different bacon hair. It's not really bacon hair anymore, but you know. And also I'll take the pistol just because I feel like it. Booyah, booyah, booyah. Yes. Shoot all the guns. Alright. Let's go. Shake my booty. Do the whip. Whip. Shake my booty. Yeah. Sing the song with me. Yep. 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 Comment down below your thumb. I won't judge you, I promise. I'm just really curious. And then I will comment down below your deepest, darkest secret, and then I will reply back to one of those people and give you a shout out. And the idiot Jacob Sartorius is in this. It's the real one. Go suck a ball. Jacob Sartorius is horrible. I hate him. Boo, Jacob. Boo, my car. See? He's angry. He's mad, I tell you. He just almost stole my car. How dare he? Now I'm going this way. I don't know where he's... And now he just made me die. You suck, Jacob. Jacob Sartorius is the worst person in the world. I hate him. He's like, oh yeah, I'm awesome. Subscribe to my one subscriber. I'm a little dickhead. I hate Jacob Sartorius. I know a few Jacobs and they watch my channel, and if you thought that was you, then I'm sorry. But no, I hate the Jacob Sartorius. And if you're watching and you're a relative to Jacob Sartorius, tell him that I say that he sucks. Balls. Because it's a true fact. I hate Jacob Sartorius. And now he is coming after me. leg. He's a horrible driver. Ah! Somebody just picked me up in their car by running into me. I did not want to come here. No! Thank you. Did you guys see that? Something just blew up. Oh, there's a cop there. That's not good. There's a cop. There's a cop. Like 1,000 criminals. Oh no, stop! That guy is annoying as fuck. Good night. Oh, I have a pistol. Boom, 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 boom. It's just my pistol. I honestly don't care. Shoot him! Oh, he did. Oh my god, why won't that guy die? Ah! Oh, I'm dead. My head rolled. Well, guys, that will be it for this video. Like, subscribe, comment down below what your worst fear is, and also if you hate Jacob Sartorius. And whoever does that the most, it will get a shout outs to their YouTube channel, and then 16 subscribers will go straight to your channel and you'll be happy. Peace out, guys. Don't forget to comment, and bye.